Attention, educational adventurers. Have you ever embarked on the great lesson search safari? Battling pop-ups, wrestling broken links, and fighting the urge to surrender to a screen time free-for-all? You know the drill. Hours spent clicking through confusing blogs, trying to compile a coherent plan from 5 different sources, all while pretending you know what a Venn diagram is. It's exhausting. Now here is relief like the first cup of jawa in the morning. Well, put down the search magnifying glass. Kidio's club did the hard, frustrating, time-consuming work for you. We've already combined, compiled, and categorized all the best engaging educational lessons. Think of us as your sanity-saving curator. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is now incredibly simple. Choose the perfect lesson. Check out with lightning speed. And print. Done. You're back to enjoying your life. And here's the best secret. Our entire vault of genius costs less than that extra large, whipped cream-topped complicated coffee you buy just to survive Monday morning. Seriously. Less than a cup of coffee. Stop searching. Start teaching. Discover the easy way now at kidiosclub.com today.